Have you ever wondered why your shoes sometimes sound like they're throwing a mini concert with squeaky sounds? Imagine a tiny band playing inside your shoes. Well, when you walk, air or moisture gets trapped between the sole and the floor, creating a friction orchestra. As you step, this friction causes the shoe material to vibrate, producing that squeaky melody. It's like your own personal soundtrack following you around. So next time you hear those sounds, know it's just a playful reminder of the science of footwear dynamics, keeping your steps musically entertaining.